Hello friends and teachers, myself Vipin Yadav and I am going to tell about Green Revolution. What is Green Revolution and why it is come in India? First we know that India gained independence after 1947. The condition of India was very worst and the condition of India food system also very worst. So the Green Revolution comes in India in the late 1916s. In the late 1916, the Green Revolution was comes in India. And what was the Green Revolution? The Green Revolution is actually the process of increasing agriculture production by using modern method and machineries. Yes, friends, it was a scientific research based technology initiative performed between 1950 and the late 1960s that increased agriculture production. In this, what was the happen with the Green Revolution? Green Revolution when comes India was a very big producer of grains. So what was that? Because Green Revolution, what has included? It includes the merit of Green Revolution was that it was includes modern farming methods. That was what was that? That was irrigation facilities, HYV seeds, and hydroelectric power and tractors, many other like in factors that affect. What is that? For many things is in the Green Revolution, but the merits was come, so demerits was also been visible. The demerits of was that when the the first demerit was that the agriculture fertility of the soil was endless. The fertility, so the soil was endless and the water is also endless. Coming of the Green Revolution, and in a Green Revolution the people have those people can buy the Green Revolution system who are able to buy it, because this is very expensive. So in a low level people doesn't have to buy it, because he is never have so much money. The high farmer only can buy the modern farming activities. Just like that, friends, tractor, it is very expensive. Only big farmer can buy it, no small farmer can buy it. What was that? And first, who introduced this Green Revolution? Norman Borlaug. Yes, friend, Norman Borlaug was the introducer in the world level, and the first Green Revolution was comes in the Mexico. Second, this Green Revolution comes all the worldwide, because all the things is coming all the worldwide. And the introducer of the Green Revolution in India, who was that? MS Swaminathan. Yes, friends, MS Swaminathan was the introducer of Green Revolution in India. And Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, West Bengal, UP, Maharashtra, these states include Green Revolution. In these states, Green Revolution can visible very large amount, because coming in the Green Revolution was come that time. After that time, the yielding was doubled. A record grain output in 1978 to 1979 was that 131 million tons occurred due to the Green Revolution worldwide agriculture. But merits and demerits was also visible. Two things also visible that I am shared you in this video. So friends, this is not a sustainable. What was the sustainable? So friends, because when we throw fertilizers and fertilizers and many other things, pesticides, insecticides on the field, and when the rain is happening, so all the fertilizer can washed in the field and going in the sea, river, and the aquatic life was very dangerous. The aquatic life died up, and this water can used by men, people, then people can also be suffering from many illness diseases. So this is very dangerous for us and aquatic life. And so that's why the scientists they discovered a sustainable type of agriculture that was organic farming. So that's it, friends. That's it, teachers. Okay, thank you for it.